kids. My name is Dr. Squawk. I've been an amateur bird enthusiast for around 3 months now, and I'm super curious about what this small but mighty bird sanctuary has to offer. Now, let's take a look up and see what we can find. Oh, wow! Whoa, wow! Well, that right over there is a black-capped chickadee. These smart little fellas are known for hiding seeds and other morsels right in their beak. Whoa! Looks like something just had lunch. Let's go see what else we can find. Now this right here, this is short-eared owl poo. Now what's super interesting about this kind of excrement is that... Whoa! Well, that's ironic. Let's keep going. Now, if you listen very closely, you'll hear the faint call of a northern cardinal. If I close my eyes, it almost takes me back to my childhood. We recording? As a scientist and birdologist, you never know what you're going to expect out in the field. That's why I never leave my study without a pair of handy-dandy binoculars. Whoa! These guys are really inconsistent. Well, boys and girls, I'd like to thank you for watching today, and we hope you learned something about birds. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, wow! That's a bald eagle! Oh. Okay, do we have enough fucking shots? I have found them really interesting, and to be quite frank, I'm attracted to them. When they poop on me, I like it.